Good afternoon. This is the project presentation for our final year project titled Unschool.com Education for All. I, Yash Jain, with my team members Utkarsh Srivastav and Rishabh Labru, are presenting this project under the guidance of Mrs. Swati Singh. The project focuses mainly towards education system and the education industry. Indian education accommodates around 70%, 74% of our population, divided into three tiers: primary, secondary, post secondary. The major problem is there is no skill development or education related to skills in our system. We have always focused on theoretical studies and books to impart knowledge, and from the beginning to the 21st century, there's been a little change and increase in the dropout rates. So we have developed a website to solve this problem. The main problems that we've seen and we've gone through are: there's no proper guidance for students after passing 12th. There are too many career choices, and the students do not have a proper idea where to go and where to utilize their skills and their interests. We don't have any skill related education for the less educated or the underprivileged. There is no hands-on skilled education for the people who are not interested into studies. They cannot earn their daily wage or they cannot survive. As we know, in this pandemic, we have seen how much and how it can help to have an handheld skill. Our website is the solution. We feel it's the solution towards the problems, and the our solution includes the underlying features. There's a counseling test that is free of cost. We've already created a form. This that will be shown later in the video, in the presentation. We've already created the form. We have the data set for that. On this psych evaluation or the counseling test, we are guiding students towards their colleges, their stream, with filters on their budgets, interests, and psych evals. The psych evaluation results in five categories: social sciences, mathematics, science, arts and literature. Guidance for students are at three levels. It starts at three levels, but it can be taken at any point. Junior level 8th standard, at the intermediate level 10th standard, and the senior level 12th standard. For the less educated, we've developed the skill development program, developing hands-on skills like plumbing, stitching, carpentry, electricity repair, mobile phone repairing, laptop repairing, and some basic instructions and video tutorials on this that will be linked through YouTube or do-it-yourself videos, DIY videos created specifically for our websites. There's also be a forum for students and these type of people to relate and to get to impart knowledge and to exchange words. There's also a kind of education that, or the knowledge that students are never imparted, that is knowledge like opening a bank account. A 18-year-old student does not know, though he needs or his parents help or elderly help or guardian help, but they should know how to do it. Opening a bank account, applying for a PAN card, applying for passport, applying for the NSR certificate, these are all required in the day-to-day life. So we are teaching students, we aim on teaching students towards that also. These are some positive impacts of our website, and this is how a website on paper like it looks. This is what our data flow is. You take the test. If you're already registered, you can take the test again. You can access college information. There's hands-on skills, there are everyday jobs, there are video tutorials. There's also schooling. There's also three types of qualification, and on that basis towards we guide students. There's schooling, there's intermediate, there's graduate. After graduate, you can go towards your interpersonal skills that will land you into a good job, into a good CV. You can prepare a good CV. You can get technical skills like programming or like psychology, philosophy. These are skills that are required. There's the psych eval test. There's the college programs on based on psych eval test, on budgets and on interest other students. So this is what our project really leans on, and in the next part, Rishabh Labru will introduce you to the website. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the homepage of our unschool.com website, and these are the trending courses to get started with, like welding, designing, mobile repairing, and electronics repairing. Here is an option which is enroll now. By clicking on this, you will first have to register yourself, which means sign up, and after that you will be able to access all the facilities given by unschool.com. And here is an home. By clicking on this, you will be able to just redirect back to this page. And second one is courses, through which you can go through like what are the courses offered, and about section will redirect you about what this site is all about. And the fourth one is contact, through which you will begin to know that how you can contact to the website owner on those who manage these things. And there are two options, register and login. And if you click on register, then you will be redirected to this page where you have to fill your details like full name, mobile number, age, and mail ID and password. And for those who are already registered, they just have to log in and enter their email and password, like what I'm going to do now. After login, I will be able to just go through like for what courses I have enrolled for. And in this I enrolled for mobile repairing, and by clicking on view courses, I will be able to just go through all the video lectures. And there are some related courses like electronics repairing. And you guys just check this. When you click on logout, you will be redirected back to the website homepage. And if you want to go through a psych evaluation test, then you again have to log in, or you have to register yourself first. And then there will be an option which is take a test. And when you will log in, you will see these questions, and you have to answer these questions according to what you feel. These answers, the result will be based on the algorithm what we are using in this. And here's a result, which is which stream is good for you, like commerce or science, how logical you are, judging, prospecting, thinking, and feeling.
Here is a research paper on school.com, Education for All, which has been published in the Journal of Xi'an University of Architecture and Technology. These are the certificates. In this paper, an abstract is defined with its brief introduction. Further, different modules have been discussed, like the basic career aptitude test and education for all. We had collected this data through Google Forms for our research. These were the questions used to prepare the dataset for the basic career aptitude test. These were the responses recorded. You see. The solution which we have proposed is also mentioned with the algorithms, natural language processing, and recurrent neural network, as can be seen here. In the end, I would like to thank Ms. Swati Singh, ma'am, for her support, and other faculty members of the department.